YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, back with another review. On the table today, some Supreme stuff. Nothing crazy, nothing major. Let's get into it. Alright, went ahead and opened up the box. As you see, we do have some Supreme Toyo T190 toolbox. I'll put these aside real quick. And we do also have, oh, they're really small, the Supreme Victorinox.com knives. Pretty sweet. Sure. Alright, let's get rid of this. Let's see what else is in here. Paper, Supreme stickers, always usual stuff. Alright, so we have the T190 mini toolboxes. As you see, they come in this cardboard protective case, I guess. Toyo Steel Company Limited, made in Japan. Made exclusively for Supreme. There's a little tag right there. Season 25. Week 15, I take it. Alright, this is going to be the silver. Alright. I normally wouldn't take it out, but just curious to see what they look like. Whew. Okay. Wow. Pretty heavy. Nice. Little Supreme hit up top. On the lid. Apparently, these are stackable. So you could actually stack them with the other ones, or buy 40 of them, stack them together, keep your little screwdrivers, anything small. The size on these are 8 by 4 by 3. I'm sorry, 8 by 4.3 by 2 by 2.2. So I'll say it again, 8 by 4.3 inches by 2.2 inches. All right. This is the silver one. Let's take a look on the inside. That's pretty neat. I'm probably not going to use these for anything except for decorations and stuff like that. It's pretty sweet. Gentle with this bad boy. Alright, that's the silver. Ooh. Same thing with the red one. There's that. Have a look how this bad boy looks. Ooh. Oh. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, love this red on there. You see it? You see it? You see it? Loving it. Same thing with this one. They said stackable. I'm not too sure how you would stack it. Oh. Stackable. So apparently these... Oh, okay. There's little holes on there. You stack them together. See that? Boom, boom. Boom. Stacked together, baby. Pretty neat. Nothing too crazy. $38 each. Like I said, I probably won't really use them for anything. No point. I might. I don't know. I don't know what to put. Maybe stickers in there. I don't know. Maybe any other Supreme accessories that I get, like the stuff I'm about to show you next. How about that? So again, that was the T190 toolbox. Pretty sweet. Just on the side or something, you know? I don't know. Maybe. That'd be cool. Alright, next. I think I might have said this wrong on the introduction, but I'm going to try it again. These are these little knives by Victorinox. Victorinox.com. There it is. Victorinox.com. Take a look at these bad boys. Alright, so these Victorinox 10-piece pocket knives, they seem to resemble ones that you can find on the Victorinox.com website, referred to as the Rambler. The Rambler. But per Supreme, these were, I believe they were $52 each. I got one in red, and I did get the other one in the camel color, which is by the True Timber Company, I believe. So let's check them out. First one is going to be, let's see here. Ooh, okay. It's going to be the True Timber one. All right. Like I said, a little 10-piece. Actually give you a little breakdown here. Comes with a small blade, scissors, tweezers, toothpick, nail file, 2.5 millimeter, and Phillips screwdrivers, wire strippers, bottle opener, and it's a key ring. As you see here, nice little neat accessory to have. Actually functional. That's what I like about this, though. They're functional accessories. You know, God forbid I really needed something, I'm breaking it out. Okay. Let's have a look. Have a look here. Pull some of this stuff out, little file. I'm sure you get it. Okay, a couple items there. Scissors, pretty neat. And again, that's the True Timber version. Now let's take a look at the red one. You see there, this one is the red version. As you see, same as the timber one. Supreme hit on the front. All right. Nothing too crazy. Oh, that's sharp. There you have them. Victorinox pocket knives by Supreme. All right, as always, if you like today's video content, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.